Howdy, Smyth Performance Jeep Grand Cherokee Ute builders, and as I like to call them, the Grand Comanche, just because it's a little different. Today's kind of exciting. I'm actually going to put the fiberglass quarter panels on. This is an exciting stage, but it also can be a very trying and frustrating stage because you're working all the fitment issues and making sure your door gaps are right and things are level and square and that the bumper will fit back on correctly. I've got all my surfaces cleaned and prepped. I am doing a combination of bolts, screws, and panel bond. So, without any further ado, let's jump into fast forward mode and get this show on the road.